Hey guys, this is Eddie San Juan here with EF San Juan, coming to you with season 2 of Real Wood. Last season we went into some of the specific projects and processes. This season we're going to spend a little bit of time focusing on the wood itself and diving into the science behind what we have to consider when we design products out of this natural material. So let's get started. So one of the first things we're going to talk about today is the actual drying process of wood, what happens within the wood and how it moves and changes during that process. We've got here a nice end of a tree to show the entirety of the bottom of the tree. This is actually all heartwood, but you can see a lot of checks and cracks naturally that happen within this wood. Nothing's been done to this other than it naturally drying over a long period of time. So what you'll see is that over that period of time, the wood shrinks. We use all kiln dried lumber in our process, but that drying process shrinks the wood, makes it more stable. So understanding wood and the way it shrinks is extremely important in our design process, and wood shrinks in two main directions. So I've got a few small cuts of wood here. You've got a rift or quarter sawn cut here, and this is a plane sawn cut. A plane sawn board comes from around here in the log if I was to put it where the cut came out of, whereas a rift sawn or quarter sawn board comes more out of this section where the cut is perpendicular to those growth rings. What this shows is that this is a much more stable over the width piece of wood, as wood grows and shrinks mostly in this direction along the growth rings, whereas this piece will have growth and shrinkage that is diagonal to the width, straight along the width, diagonal to the width, and you can get what's called cupping or warped boards from this. And the end result is much different. This is a plane sawn look where you get the nice cathedral grain on it. That's what many people would see as typical wood grain. And then in a quarter or rift sawn board, you're going to get much straighter grain pattern, and you've got some flecking from the medullary rays, which occurs only in white oak. This piece of wood is going to be much more stable in the width and move mostly in the thickness, whereas the plane sawn will change a lot in the width and end up cupping or curling. Next time we're going to talk about how we counteract those effects of nature and design our products in a way that they can stand the test of time. Hey guys, season 2 of Real Wood is going to be an interesting journey, but we do want to get your feedback. So if you're enjoying these episodes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment and let us know things that you'd like to learn about, things you'd like to see. We want these to be something that people enjoy watching, so please share with your friends, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.